Hello guys, good morning. New start again for the week, and yesterday I have posted some Mona Lisa chains in silver base, so I'm going to show them today. And today I'm posting a very short video because we have some pending parcels to be cleared off, so I'm not posting a lengthy video. So now let's start. First we're going to start with the giveaway. So this is what is item which has been announced the other day for giveaway and let's see how many comments we have received. So this is the video. So this is the video what we planned of giving a giveaway and you can see here 353 likes and 356 comments. I think everybody can see this very clearly. So 356 comments what I see is, and this is a giveaway gift, beautiful jhumka. So let's start. Random picker adanta koncham time consume avutundandi, so that is the reason we are just doing a random pick only in the comment section like this. So from the next giveaway we will start doing random picking andi. So but as of now this is what is the way which we are picking the comments for this giveaway. So next time we will do it very professionally. From starting I'm pulling up and down. So here is a person, Sai Harsha, 68th like ma'am, mee daggara bangles తీసుకున్నాను, it's really nice. This is a comment what we have picked this time. Sai Harsha garu, please do ping us on WhatsApp with your address and giveaway gift winner అని ఒకసారి మెన్షన్ చేయండి మేడం. We will update you while dispatching your parcel, and this is a gift which you won. ఇది అండి Sai Harsha garu, you can see the name. 60th like అని పెట్టారండి సాయి హర్ష గారు. యూ కెన్ సీ షీ ఈస్ ద వన్ హూ వన్ ద గిఫ్ట్. అండ్ ఈరోజు గివ్ అవే కూడా ఏమి ఇస్తున్నామని చూపిస్తామండి. సో దిస్ గివ్ అవే వాట్ ఐమ్ షోయింగ్ టుడే, ద గిఫ్ట్ వాట్ ఐమ్ షోయింగ్ టుడే, ఐల్ బీ టేకింగ్ ఎ గివ్ అవే ఇన్ టుమారోస్ వీడియో అండి. 60th లైక్ అని చెప్పారు సాయి హర్ష గారు. ప్లీజ్ టు పింగ్ us on WhatsApp. ఆల్ రైట్, సో నెక్స్ట్. And guys, thank you so much for your great response for the first day of giveaway. I really got a great response for it. Thank you so much. Alright, and the second giveaway gift enti anedi pick chupichestanandi. So here is a gift what I'm showing for tomorrow's giveaway andi. Pipe choker, beautiful Kempu pipe choker andi. This is a giveaway for tomorrow's. Okay, this is of worth 780 rupees andi. 780 rupees giveaway we are giving you for tomorrow's video. So today video whoever comment చేసిన వాళ్ళు కంపల్సరీ లైక్ చేయండి. సో లైక్ అండ్ కమెంట్ మ్యాచ్ అయ్యేటట్టు చూసుకోండి ప్లీజ్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీస్ విచ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యాజ్ అ గిఫ్ట్ ఫర్ టుమారోస్ giveaway. So I think friends, let's start the video today. So please do nothing much andi, if in case people are very new to us and willing to participate in giveaway, nothing much, please do put a like and then comment. So meer enno like place chesaro kuda just please update in the comment section, and has been a normal randomly mem pick chestunnamu giveaway anedi. So you will be eligible to go for, I'm sorry, if in case you are a winner, yes, you will be getting this as a gift andi in tomorrow's video. So today video post chesina vallu, today's video lo mem edaithe post chesamo aa video ki please update a comment and like cheyandi, comment cheyandi. That is what is. And tomorrow mem pick chestamu as we have picked today. The same way we will pick it tomorrow also, and we will give you a gift. Okay, so this is the giveaway gift, and let's start the video now. Guys, these are all beautiful silver based AD stone Mona Lisa chains andi, which I have posted yesterday night, and I really got a great response asking for the prices and all, and we even got few orders, but then I told them that once we update the price tag you can book your orders. But please do guys, if in case you want any of these sets, please do book it as soon as possible, as these are very very limited stock. Silver based we are not getting ample number of pieces only, so we are getting hardly 1 or 2 pieces. Even these pendants I just got each one piece. This is full of AD stones. And Mona Lisa lo idi koncham big size Mona Lisa, idi koncham small size andi. Ee rendu same Mona Lisa ne, but dini koncham small ichamu, dini koncham big size add on chesasamu. And in this I have another beautiful pendant also, red andi. If in case people want this to be red to be made in any other color beads also, we will make it on order. Okay, and this is the price of it's only for 1650 rupees guys. Only for 1650 rupees each set andi, with the earring 1650. These are even bit costly because the pendant is actually costly, and then the Mona Lisa, these are actually big size Mona Lisa beads only, which is of higher ranges, price ranges. I'll show you each one by one. So green also single pieces only. These are all single pieces. So this is a beautiful one, green, nice AD stones. You can see it's all minute AD stone with green combination, big size Mona Lisa. And this is of length 18 inches. You can see it's only a small chain what we have given. With this we will give you thread actually. If in case you want this to be added with an extra chain, you can go for 35 rupees excess chain. Idi andi, it's a beautiful one, 1650 rupees. Nice elegant piece, and this is a ear top with pushback. And next is blue color. All these are single pieces only available. Blue color. This is a blue color one. $16.50 free shipping. Okay, let me talk about the shipping slabs again. Normal shipping is 50 rupees. If in case you're going to buy a bill of 1500, you get free shipping. And also 2000 bill if in case you buy more than one product, example 2 products or so in a single day. If that is a total bill of 2000 minimum bill, you get 10% discount on the original price. This is the original price of the item, and also free shipping. It's an add-on for 2000 bill. Okay, so this is the second one. And in the same I have this red pendant also with ear tops. Deeniki meeku inkedana color Mona Lisa kavalana kuda we will make it and give you. 1650 rupees. $16.50 with the beads. I'm just showing you the color of the pendant. So I'll show you the other beautiful one. Even this is all 18 inches andi. These are all 18 inches even. 3 colors available in this. And this is of costing you 1620 rupees. $16.20. Red ear tops. Dandi, 1620 rupees. It's again the same price and 1780. What you're getting is 1620 rupees. I'll show you each and every color. So this is a beautiful one, nice with bigger size AD stones, and center a big size green, exactly like diamond. And you're getting Mona Lisa beads, bigger size EV. Every alternate we're giving you silver balls and same 18 inches. Backside what you get is thread. If in case you want chain, you can go for an extra chain, 35 rupees extra chain. This will be the beautifully atop. Nice premium quality item, so you can see the finishing of the item and the glare also. Beautiful one. This is yellow color, and this is red with sea green andi. In this red only 2 pieces available, blue 2 pieces available, green only 1 piece available. Pendants I'm talking about, red pendant only 2 pieces, blue pendants only 2 pieces, green pendant only single piece we could arrange. $16.20 single piece, free shipping. This is red and blue combination. If in case you wanted to look at the back, this is a back part. And next we have a few other collection. Micro plated and idantha. Idi 850 rupees micro plated neck piece with rubies and emerald. ₹850 micro plated neck piece. Chain andi neck piece in the sense, I'm sorry, it's a chain. ₹850 micro plated chain with all rubies and emeralds. Again friends, if in case somebody is not clear about the discounts, ఈ 10 days అండి పొంగల్ గివ్ అవే ఇస్తున్నాము. ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం లాస్ట్ 1 month వీడియోస్ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో మీరు అందులో ఏది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా డిస్కౌంటెడ్ ప్రైస్కి ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ డిస్కౌంటెడ్ ప్రైస్కి ఇచ్చేస్తున్నాము. బికాజ్ ఐ థింక్ లాస్ట్ 1 month దిస్ ఇస్ అ డిస్కౌంటెడ్ ప్రైస్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ 2 days. బట్ ప్లీజ్ లుక్ ఇన్ టు లాస్ట్ 1 month వీడియోస్. లాస్ట్ 1 monthలో వీడియోస్లో మీరు ఏది బుక్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా సేమ్ ₹850 అయితే ₹850కి ఇచ్చేస్తున్నాము. దట్ ఈస్ అన్ అగైన్ మెగా సేల్ వాట్ వీ గివింగ్ ఫర్ దీస్ 10 days. So please check out if in case you wanted to purchase something else in the previous videos ko emana kavalante please do check out and you can order it on discounts. Okay, ₹850 and this is an again Chandraharam model idi kuda. ఇది కూడా చంద్రహారం మోడల్ అండి. సేమ్ ఇదంతా దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ లైక్ వాట్ డు వి సే మైక్రో ప్లేటెడ్ అండి, మైక్రో ప్లేటెడ్ చైన్స్, చంద్రహారం మోడల్, ఆల్ విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సీజెడ్ అండ్ ఎమరాల్డ్ ఇన్ ద సెంటర్. ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చైన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో గివెన్, సో మీకు బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చైన్ కూడా ఎక్సెస్ అవసరం లేదండి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ₹950. And next is this beautiful seaside pendant in Lakshmi idol. Kempu andi, idi Kempu vastundi meeku. I'm sorry, 770 rupees. 720 rupees andi. It's a beautiful premium quality Kempu andi. Kempu with CZ pendant, premium quality. This is all nice bigger size pendant Lakshmi idol tho, and at the back this is a hook. It's a openable hook andi. If in case ilanti model evarna black beads kavalna, you want it to be made with bead chain, or if not any other pipe chokers also, we will make on order basis. People who are inquiring for pipe chokers openable pendant, you can go for these pendants. Idantha openable untundi, so if in case you make it up in pipe chokers also, multi use ga chesukochu. 720 plus shipping is 50 rupees. Nice premium quality, and this is all uncuts andi. Here is all minute CZs, Kempu and emerald. Premium quality pendant set. And this is of 885 rupees. Again premium quality microplated chain, 885. ఇట్స్ లక్ష్మీ ఐడల్ అండి. ఇక్కడ అంతా గోల్డ్ బాల్స్ వచ్చేసాయి. లక్ష్మీ ఐడల్తో వచ్చింది. చైన్ వస్తుంది ఇలా. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ యూ గెట్ ఏ కంప్లీట్ చైన్. 885 rupees. And next this is of costing you only 750 rupees అండి. On sale, single piece available on sale, 750 rupees. This item actually we're giving on clearance and only single piece available, so it's only for 750 rupees. Matte finish lo vastundi, peacock design and with Lakshmi idol, only for 750. Finishing everything we are showing in the video, friends, so whatever we are showing you get the same finishing. 750 plus 50 rupees shipping. And next Gutta Pusalu. This is a premium quality matte Gutta Pusalu. Short neck piece vastundi, and this is of costing you 1799 free shipping. $1799 free shipping అండి. గుత్త పూసలు ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ మ్యాట్లో విత్ అంకట్స్. క్వాలిటీ చూసుకోవచ్చండి. ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ ఇదంతా విత్ అంకట్స్తో వచ్చేసింది ఫ్లవర్ డిజైన్లో. pushback ear top. And next is premium quality Kempu Jhumka. Excellent Jhumka, seriously to tell you, premium quality and idanta Kempu Jhumka. ఇదంతా అంకర్డ్స్ వచ్చేసింది అండ్ కెంపు ఎంబ్రాయిల్డ్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ ద కెంపు హియర్ ఎంబ్రాయిల్డ్ అండి, సీరియస్లీ అమేజింగ్ వన్. అండ్ ఆల్ దిస్ కెంపు అండ్ ఎంబ్రాయిల్డ్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇన్సర్టెడ్ ఇన్ సైడ్, ఇలా చూసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. ఎక్సలెంట్ పీస్ అండ్ విత్ డబల్ లేయర్డ్ పర్ల్స్ వచ్చేసాయి మీ కింద. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఇలా వస్తుంది, బ్యాక్ సైడ్ కూడా యూ గెట్ ద పర్ల్. And this is of pricing big size andi only for 999 plus shipping is 50 rupees. Big size Kempu Jhumka 999 plus shipping. $799 beautiful premium quality uncut pendant set with earrings. $799. $799. Friends, so that's all. I'm going to stop this video because I have so many pending parcels to be dispatched. As because of the new year we have some insufficient staff and that is the reason we are really struggling to dispatch all the parcels on time, so please excuse us. We will surely make it up by today and tomorrow. Thank you so much guys. If in case we could make it up, I'll catch you by evening with the other super duper video, a short video only. Thank you so much. Bye bye.